What is good, people of the internet? So in today's video we're doing some maintenance. We're replacing the intake air filter on the daily driver 2008 Honda Civic Si. So let's pop the hood and get started. Just did an oil change yesterday, so let's see if I messed up. Nope, I didn't mess up, and it's super clean, and it's right at the tippy top there, so it's good. Alright, so I need like an 8 or 10 mil flatheads to pop all those clips off. Alright, let's go grab that. Alright, with the flathead, there's these little clips here. Just basically get some leverage, easily pop that off. Two in the back. Yeah, I can't really see, but there's two back there. Simple. Next, take off this little coupler here. Okay. Interesting. Alright, that's off. This goes here. Move that a little bit out of the way, and boom, bada bing. Got our filter. Alright. Okay, a little dirt here. Not too bad, actually. It is filled with cruds or whatnot. Okay. This is how it came out. There's like a little groove here. Wonder if that matters. That feels good. What if I put it in this way? Either way, it feels pretty good. Oh look, there's like a little, I see a little, hey, look at that little shadow there was. So this part goes up here. And it fits, it feels like it fits pretty nice there. Alright. Alright, let's compare the new filter. I went with A Premium. I've been going with this company for quite some time now. I have now the solenoid for the intake on the RSX. I have the cabin filters, and so they seem to be really great. Awesome prices. Decent packaging. Comes with some instructions. We don't read those. And there's the piece. Come on now, get in there. No. A Premium. Made in China. I don't know where this is from, but those all look the same. It's much cleaner. Perfect. Alright, let's remember what we saw before. Fits in perfect. Perfect. Slide this guy back in here. Bring that down. Get that in its home. Nice. Nice. All good there. Clip. 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 A little bit of alignment, but that's clipped. All good. That's in there all good. Go and tighten. And that's turning it off. There we go. Alright. Okay. Give me that. Okay. Alright. That's done. Boom, bada bing. Alright. Well, that's it. Pretty simple. Nice and clean air filter in there now. And I checked the oil, so that's good. Alright. Well, simple video. Anybody can do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah. Have a great one. Peace.